Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're diving into how to get a voided check from USAA in 2025. If you're dealing with direct deposits, setting up automatic payments, or verifying your bank details, a voided check is often required. It's basically a check you've marked as void to prevent anyone from using it while still sharing your account info safely. Let's get right into it. First off, why USAA? They're a popular bank for military members and their families, and in 2025, their digital tools are even more user-friendly. Start by logging into your USAA account. You can do this through the USAA mobile app or their website. Make sure you have your username, password, and any two-factor authentication ready, security first. Once you're logged in, head to the Accounts or Banking section. Look for an option like Checks and Statements or Account Services. Here, you might find a feature to view and print your checks directly. If USAA offers a digital voided check option by 2025, and they likely will, just select that. If not, you can request a physical check to be mailed or printed at home. Now, if you're printing one yourself, grab a blank check from your checkbook. Write void in large letters across the front, covering the payee and amount lines, but don't sign it. Double-check that your account number, routing number, and other details are clearly visible. Pro tip: always handle voided checks carefully to avoid fraud. Never send them via unsecured methods. If you run into any issues, USAA's customer support is top-notch. Give them a call at their 24/7 line or chat online. They can guide you through the process or send you a voided check directly. There you have it. That's how you snag a voided check from USAA in 2025. It's quicker than you think and saves you a trip to the bank. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.